double displacement reaction. We'll require sodium sulfate, barium chloride, dilute HCl, a beaker, conical flask and test tubes. Take a small quantity of barium chloride in a test tube and transfer it into a conical flask. In another test tube, take a small quantity of sodium sulfate and transfer it into the conical flask containing barium chloride solution. A white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed immediately. This confirms the presence of sulfate SO4 2- ions. Stir the contents of the conical flask and keep it undisturbed for some time. The precipitate of barium sulfate settles down. Decant the upper solution from the conical flask into a beaker. Then add a small quantity of dilute HCl into the conical flask containing the precipitate. Swirl the flask well. The white precipitate is insoluble in dilute HCl. In this chemical reaction, sulfate ions are displaced by chloride ions and chloride ions are displaced by sulfate ions. So the reaction is a double displacement reaction.